My friend was sleeping over at my house and everything was normal, until he asked if a girl could come over. I reluctantly agreed, but on one condition: she had to be quiet. We were downstairs playing video games and I made an excuse to leave the room so they could have some privacy. A few minutes later, I started hearing loud noises. Panic set in. I realized my parents might wake up at any moment. Quick thinking, I grabbed my phone, blasted music on full volume, and pretended nothing was happening. My parents came into my room briefly, looked confused, and left. My friend ended up having the best time, but the next morning, some very awkward glances at breakfast. What would you have done in that situation?